It looks something like this.
Every time I log on to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, all of the places, I'm getting smacked in the face with these product ads. There's waist trimmers, there's mascaras, there's something for everybody. And the thing is, do they even work? Are they worth the money? I don't know. That's what this series is gonna be. The internet made me do it. I'm going to buy these products that are viral and I'm gonna test them out and we're gonna see, are they really worth the money? Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, to another edition of Facebook Made Me Do It. What did Facebook make me do this time? TatBrow. This is perhaps the most requested item that you guys have sent me on DMs, and probably, I don't know if YouTube, if you commented that as well, but definitely on DMs on Instagram. I have heard over and over and over again, please try TatBrow. Because apparently it's not only on Facebook ads, but it's Instagram ads, and I think that they were saying TikTok as well. So this is a very requested one and we're gonna try it out today. This is another one of those products that just bombarded me. It was in my face every time I got on Facebook, just like Thrive Mascara. And then once I bought it, I don't ever see it on my Facebook anymore. I've got spies everywhere. I bought this back in July and I have been holding on to this ever since July because I was like, I'm not going to open it until I can try it on camera for you guys. And so it's still got the plastic on it. Okay, so here's the scoop. On the TatBrow website, let's talk about what it says that it is and it does and all that. It is considered to be TatBrow, the microblade pen. And its regular price is $39.99. When I bought it, I got it for $22.87, so 22 and some change. It's on sale today for $23. So I think the real price is $23, but they say that it's $40 and it's marked down like you're getting a good price always, you know. Newsflash. There's always a flash sale of buy two, you get them for only $16 each.
Tactic.
Yeah. I see what they're doing. So it comes in brown, dark brown, ash black, blonde, gray, and auburn. So it's got a good selection of colors there. Now, it was seen on Good Morning America. So that's interesting that they actually talked about it. So I'm curious to see how this turns out. This product is, according to the website, made in Los Angeles, so it ships quickly. I'm gonna go back in my emails. I placed my order on July 3rd, and it went out in the mail on July 8th. That's a 5-day wait. That's a long time. Granted, it was July 4th in there, but still, that's 5 days is a long time to fulfill an order. It gives you a little thing here on the website, a little diagram of what the colors are. On camera here, it doesn't look as good, so you can go to their website if you want to see what they are. And so the whole premise on this thing is the brush, because it's got a unique precision brow brush. On the box, claims that it lasts 24 hours plus. It is waterproof and smudge proof. It says that the TatBrow Brow Tint Pen makeup fills in your eyebrows with natural looking hair-like strokes that last up to 24 hours. How to use: angle the multi-pronged tip across the brows and draw hair-like strokes from anchor to tail. I had no idea you called this your anchor. I knew this was the tail, but it's interesting. Repeat as desired for added intensity look. Works best if shaken, then pressed firmly. Brown. I went with brown. I hope this is the right color. It's really hard matching your color of skin or hair or whatever online. Let's just acknowledge that. All right, first impression. It's pretty small. I don't know if you can see that. Can you zoom in? Oh gosh. Already got, oh my gosh, that stained my hand. Am I rolling?
Oh yeah.
I accidentally touched my hand and now I've got a spot there. So right there is the multi-pronged tip that they're talking about. So you can kind of see. And this is supposed to help give you the look of the microbladed hair strokes. I'm pretty nervous that this stained my hand that quick because immediately I removed it and it stained my finger too. Can you see it? I've got the brown spot. It's gonna look like I have poop on my fingers tomorrow. Really quickly, I wanna call out a couple of things. This brand is cruelty free. It's FDA approved. However, now it says that it's, oh no, it's US shipping. So I don't know if that means that they're not international shipping friendly, but it is US shipping. So this was $22.47 I paid for it. I have the thing right here that I originally purchased, and shipping was $4.95, so I paid $27.42. That's pretty expensive for an eyebrow product. I mean, I feel like that's more expensive than Anastasia Dip Brow, right? Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow at Ulta Beauty is $21. So yeah, this is more expensive than Anastasia Beverly Hills, so it better like live up to the hype. My favorite brow product is the Urban Decay Double Down Brow, so we'll see. Let's go in and let's try it out. Oh my gosh, I've got ink literally falling off of this thing right now. It's like dye. Before I even opened it, it was already like leaking product. Can you see that? I just wiped it off on a piece of clear plastic so you guys could see. I'm like getting the sweats a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go with this brow. What if I can't get this off of my face and I don't like it? I think I'm gonna need you to talk me through this right now. What if it looks really bad? Oh, I'm scared. You can do this. You can do this. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, so this brow is done. The thing that I've noticed is that the brush is made so that you can obviously make the brush strokes, but when you get to the front part of your brow here, that doesn't work as well because your brows are naturally thinner and most people want the ombre look of brow. So what I was doing was actually taking the or a pencil or whatever you want to call it, I guess it's a pencil, and actually taking strokes this way with the edge pointing up so that I wasn't getting the 4, I was just getting the 1, and that seemed to work so much better. So let's go ahead and do the second brow and then we'll talk about the results. All right, finished product here. The thing is that it's not the easiest product in the world to apply. I'm sure that by the time that this is shown, that will speed it up and show. I was actually using my spoolie brush a lot to work the product through. And as I was doing that, it was like crumbling off a little bit and leaving like some residual on my forehead and like down here that I had to brush away. That being said, I feel like they look pretty good. I feel like they look, you know, pretty close to what a microbladed brow is going to look like. It's not as quick to apply as say my double down brow is. Like I can do my brows in probably under a minute with this. There's probably a bit of a learning curve with this though, and the more I use it, the more comfortable I would get with it. But the thing is that it would deposit a lot of ink or stain or tint. It would deposit a lot of tint randomly, which again, I'm sure that there's a learning curve there. And I felt like it was getting kind of inconsistent about where the product was being deposited along my brow, and I was having to take the spoolie to kind of work it through. After I worked it through though, I feel like it looks pretty even and it looks pretty nice. If it wears well, you know, then this will be a win. If I could get 2 days wear out of it, that'd be like amazing. So I'll let you guys know in the description box or in the first comment how well I feel like it wore. But overall, I'm not mad at it. I don't think that it's necessarily worth $27. That's a lot of money for this teeny tiny, I mean, there's not a lot of product in there at all. But like I said, if it wears well over the course of 2 days, then it would be worth that. So I'll let you guys know in the description box or in the first comment how I feel like it wears. But this is a lot better than the primer that I tried from Facebook. So better job, Facebook. So I'm just prowling Facebook now looking for more products to try. If you guys have a product from Facebook or Instagram ads or wherever that you guys really are dying to see me try, make sure to let me know in the comments below. I've been seeing the curler things that you put your hair through with this like wand, and then it zips up like a zip tie real quick, and I'm kind of thinking about trying that next. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Is that something you want to see? Oh, and I've been seeing this crazy straightener on Pinterest. So let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more from me on the channel. And visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you all so much. Au revoir.